Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. At the outset, let me warn you, we are at a dangerous time. Nifty has broken its major support of psychological support, at least of 17,000. It has given away 50% of its last 9 months gains. On 19th of June or so, it had made a bottom of 15,000 and odd, and it had gone to 18,887 on 1st of December. So that gain, 50% it has given away, and having broken the psychological support of 17,000, it is inviting 16,600 and 16,060 from here on, unless the bulls start taking corrective action immediately. And it may be easier said than done, because operators are really at it, pulling down the market. Different type of manipulation is going on. We are being given the excuse of global cues, global. So those things have nothing to do with India or Indian industry. And it is not 2008 sort of. It's just one thing is it's too small to make such a difference to the whole world. Second thing is there is hardly any direct connection with the Indian market as such. But then the powers that be, the people who, the Western interests, the so-called deep pocket smart money, would like to take every opportunity to, shall I use the word, loot the poor retailers. Part of life. Need to be careful. So that is why the thing is, time is dangerous. We can do what we want to, but then we need to be extra cautious. We need to do everything that we are doing with strict stop loss and take care of our funds. Protecting our capital and protecting our profit is very, very important. We can't squander it away. It is hard-earned money. So take care. Let me share the usual levels for tomorrow and also for the positional traders. Yes, I am very rarely I do this thing, but then I am cautioning you, unless the bulls pull their socks up and start supporting the market immediately, market could be saying much lower levels, much lower levels. You could say that till yesterday I was talking of market going up. Yes, I was talking of market going up. Yes, market did go up a little, but then I was wrong. So nobody can be 100% right. I'm no exception. I was wrong about market not going below 17,000 or 16,950, etc. But then, okay, whether I was wrong or not will be only the time will tell that. But that's a different issue. But then at the moment, we need to take care, because the way we are going on, the way the operators are trying to put pressure, there is no surprise if the market loses 300 points or 500 points in a day. And this, for some reason, March has been like this most of the time. You remember March 2018, you remember March 2020, March 2018, after on 29th of January 2017, sorry, 2018, market having made a chain of all-time highs, about 60 and odd all-time highs, and it had crossed 10,000, and it came down. It had crossed, of course, 11,000 odd, and it had come down in March to 9,950, and then 2020 COVID. We know that there were two lower circuits for Nifty in March, and market had gone down to multi-year low of 7,500, etc. So we need to be, and of course, last year also market went down a bit in March. So this year again March is seeing a lot of pain. So we need to be extra careful, and we need to see green to believe market might go up. Take care. Till then, you watch all the. This is the FIIs cash segment position. Today I have put the date as the 14th. It should be read as 15th. I'm sorry about that. It should be read as 15th. It is today's position, 15th, and this is support and resistance level for 52-week, last 52-week range. On 1st of December, it was 18,887. On 17th of June 2022, it was 15,083.40. So obviously, it had gained from there, and after 1st of December, after making 18,887, market has been steadily going down. Every small up move has been sold into, so we need to be extra careful. These are the levels for tomorrow for day traders. These are the levels. This is the first page, Adani Enterprises 2, Coal India. This is the second page, Divi Slab 2, IndusInd Bank. This is the third page, Infosys to Reliance. This is the fourth page, SBI Life Insurance to Wipro. Nifty and Bank Nifty levels are also included. So keep these things. This is, I don't know whether you guys appreciate this point or not. This is very, very, very important. These levels are important. If this level, market, if it opens at this level, and if it goes to this level becomes support. If it goes to this level becomes support. If it goes to this level, this becomes support. So that is the way it is supposed to be. And when it is here, this is the resistance. When it is here, this is the resistance. When it is here, this is the resistance. That is the way we are supposed to look at it. If we do that, we are okay. We can always protect our capital that way. So use the next level as the stop loss and go ahead. Also have a look at this is Nifty 50 index indicators for past 1 month. If you see red and harsh red is seen all over, and this is the Bank Nifty's important indicators for past 1 month. Everything is looking red everywhere. We need to take extra care. We need to be extra cautious. Take care. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, share, like our videos. To learn, people have been calling me and asking me for questions. Probably I have been a bit rude. I have been told because your question, whatever is there, has been answered in such and such video. Why don't you go and look at the videos? Videos are already posted in YouTube. So people need to look at the YouTube. People need to learn from there. And if you have got a doubt in that, then you are welcome to call me. But you can't, call me and ask me to give you the videos. Videos are there. You take them from there. If there is something new you want to know, if there is something new you want from me, you're welcome to come to me. Because you see, time is very, very valuable, especially when you are 70-year-old. Take care. Goodbye.